name is Jerson. I'm a welder at ExacTech. I've been working at ExacTech for 8 years. Well, I started as a small parts welder, and then I started moving into the bigger stuff. And as nowadays, I work on big stuff, all the big structures, like car bodies or booms. Well, I like to take pride on my job, so like I said, I started as a small parts welder, and I don't know. I wanted to do the big stuff because it's something different. I mean, people might think that it's hard, but once you start doing it, you realize that it's easy.